So today, this is my 2002 GMC Sierra Denali with quadra steer. We're supercharged for all that. Something I realized, I've never changed the cabin filter on this. This is in the 99 to 02 Silverado, Yukon, all that, you know, Sierra. They actually have cabin filters, 03 Plus. They didn't in the GMT 800. So they were going to be changing the cabin filter. This is the one I picked up right here. Here it is, has nice foam around it. They are actually two separate cabin filters. Keep shoving one back there. Has a little foam, it's has like carbon in it, you know, the charcoal. Activated carbon to help reduce stuff. So let's go ahead and check it out, how to replace this. So as you enter your truck, it is under your glove box right here in this whole unit. And there's a few bolts, you can see. There's one right here. They're 7mm, but a 932 will work. It's a little loose, but they're not like torqued high. There's one right here. It's a little hard. See it? You can see the other one's right here. And then there's one way back in here, which is like where my finger goes up in there. So that one is a pain. Look how fun that is, how it curves up right here. Everyone always says Chevys are the easiest to work on, but not always the case. So let's go ahead and work with that. So I have the socket back here, and it seems like I didn't even need the ratchet because no one can ever get these in. I think it's already loose. It's actually kind of making it harder to get to. You can see there's just enough room in there for a deep socket and a small quarter. Just apply pressure up on the ratchet. Let's give it a little turns and eventually hopefully get it out of there, but not the best design Chevy. So I removed the other two bolts, and just loosening that one, I'm able to just pull it down and see this right here. I'm going to push this in. There's a little tab, so I'll push that in and then down. Ooh, I can already tell this one's going to be nice. There's another tab back here. Kind of push that out of the way. Pull, this is going to be fun. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, change these, people. Look at this. That's nice. There's another one back here too. Oh, it's even worse. Lovely. You're going to get a vacuum in there and clean all that up and vacuum back in there. Yeah, so this is why you change your cabin filters. And even me, I know about these trucks. I totally forgot the earlier ones had cabin filters. Yeah. I'm actually selling this truck, so I'm doing this for the next guy. Everything else is well maintained, I promise. But yeah, I'll go ahead and just you shove these back in. You can see this replacement, this one it had, I can't find a part number on it, has more foam than this, so I don't know, but these should do. They're definitely better. Again, up. You put your clip back in. You go ahead and bolt this bracket back in here. Push all this back up into place. Get your two bolts, line them up, and you're good to go.